In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Godaddy for setting up your website in just about 5 minutes. Creating a website might seem like a mammoth task, especially if you're new to the digital world, but with Godaddy's user-friendly platform, you'll find that it's not only achievable, but actually quite straightforward. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Godaddy account. If you're already on the Godaddy homepage, look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the login page where you will enter your username and password. Make sure you type these in correctly to avoid any issues with logging in. Once you've filled in your credentials, press the sign in button again to access your Godaddy dashboard. This is where the magic begins. You'll see your profile photo at the top right corner of the dashboard, a small but significant indicator that you're logged in and all set to go. The next step is to find the My Products section. Go ahead and click on it. This area of the dashboard houses all the services and products you've purchased from Godaddy, including domain names, hosting services and more. It's essentially your control center for everything related to your website. Now for the part you've been waiting for, setting up your website. Locate and click on the Set Up a Free Website button. Godaddy offers a variety of options for website creation, including some free options that are great for beginners or those looking to create a basic web presence without a hefty investment. After clicking on Set Up a Free Website, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions. These questions are designed to help tailor the website creation process to your specific needs, such as the type of website you're planning to create and the features you need. Take your time to answer these as accurately as possible. The input you provide here will influence the templates and tools Godaddy suggests for you. Once you've navigated through these initial questions, click Continue to proceed. But don't worry, the process isn't over yet. There will be more questions waiting for you on the next page. These additional questions help refine the setup process even further, ensuring that the end product aligns perfectly with your vision for the site. As you continue, remember to provide detailed and accurate answers. The more information Godaddy has about your needs and preferences, the better it can support you in creating a site that not only looks professional, but also functions seamlessly. You'll then reach a point where a Continue button prompts you onward. Click it to move to the next step, which involves the actual building and customization of your website. This is where your creativity comes into play. Godaddy's website builder allows you to edit your site, including adding your own images and content. The platform is quite intuitive, with drag and drop features that make it easy to design your site without needing to know how to code. Take the time to explore the various options available to you. Experiment with different layouts, fonts and color schemes until you find a combination that appeals to you. Remember, this is your digital storefront, so you want it to represent you or your business accurately. After you've added all your content, made your design choices, and are satisfied with the way your site looks and feels, it's time for the final step. Publishing your website. Look for a Publish button, which makes your website live on the internet for everyone to see. Congratulations. You've just created your website using Godaddy. This process, as you've seen, is quite straightforward, but remember, building a website is only the beginning. Keep it updated with fresh content, ensure it's easy to navigate, and most importantly, make sure it serves the needs of your visitors. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, a portfolio, or an online store, Godaddy's tools and resources make it a breeze. Here's to your online success.